This week's Online Learner Awards for 1VB goes to Slata Hajuberki for doing all of her work with passion and enthusiasm and going above and beyond with each task we assign. She has become a great independent learner. Good job, Slata. From 1KH, Shive Saina for going above and beyond with his incredible effort and commitment to assignments and participation in class. From 2RH, Shani Chevron for working independently and creatively to film an interview with the North Wind. We were very impressed that she played both parts. From 2VE, Zeddy Colte. Zeddy is an independent learner who always challenges himself by answering questions in detail and completing the online tasks to an excellent standard. For 3LW, Alyssa Rutz. Alyssa started her learning journey needing some help from her parents, which is absolutely fine, but now she is able to manage her timetable, tasks, and notes independently. She has provided reflective and honest opinions about her online learning and is always keen to answer and share her learning. She has been brilliant and resilient since day one, even sending us messages of love and hope from time to time. Keep up the positive attitude, Alyssa. From 3JC is Lola Naj. Lola has gone above and beyond in her work. Her daily assignments are well thought out, and her projects are creative. Her mathemagical machine is amazing. From 4OG, Sophie Huminsky for having a growth mindset by embracing the challenges with a positive and responsible attitude. From 5JC, Amelia Retz for always raising standards in 5JC and her excellent story based on ancient Greek myths. From 5TH, Anna Murilova for being an independent, creative learner who puts an excellent effort into her online tasks, including making an amazing MasterChef video. From 6GB, Leo Amedu. Leo has shown independence and responsibility in all areas of work and has gone above and beyond, applying himself to activities outside his comfort zone. Great work, Leo. From 6HJ, Sophia Vereb for her continued effort and participation in online activities and discussions. Now for the MYP Online Learner Awards. From Physical and Health Education, Agi Pasqui in MYP2 for being balanced in her approach to the well-being unit and focusing on including a range of stress reduction and exercise opportunities to her e-learning week. From English Language and Literature, Shoma Giro, MYP3, for being principled by taking responsibility for his learning and using opportunities to improve his Othello essay. For Mathematics, Robert Kirkbride, MYP3, in recognition of him working hard to complete all his maths work before everyone else. For Sciences, Georg Riddler, MYP2, in compensation for the fact that he had his science experiment stolen by pigeons. And Emmanuel Leonetti for MYP3 for completing his science work and requesting additional tasks. For Language Acquisition, Nina Pavlakovikova, MYP3, for being a good communicator by striving to express herself with confidence and creatively in Spanish. For Individuals and Societies, Zofia Christoph, MYP1, for being open-minded by offering thoughtful perspectives to class discussions that show consideration and thinking. For design, Connor Baleha, MYP2, for being principled and starting to take responsibility for his work, listening to suggestions, and improving vastly on his summative task. For visual arts, Chiara Miriuta, MYP1, showing creative thinking skills while developing her entomology studies. For performing arts, Marcel Sabo from MYP3, for being knowledgeable and making a significant contribution to discussions about method acting and monologues. We hope everyone has a great weekend, and we will see you online next week.